Alright, what it do, YouTube? I'm excited. I'm about to buy my mom's a new car for Mother's Day, my present to her. Mother's Day was actually yesterday, but yeah, we're gonna pick her either today or tomorrow. And I'm excited. She deserves it. You know what I mean? She raised me by herself, single mother. You know what I mean? She deserves it. She do a lot of sacrifices for me, so why can't I do the same for her? So she wanted something, you know, all-wheel drive, and she had this Maxima right here, front-wheel drive. So she was complaining how it was sliding and not good in the snow. So I'm like, all right, for me, we're gonna upgrade. You feel me? So yeah, so we got a buyer that's interested to come pick it up today. So I'm about to take out all her stuff out the car, clean it up, and everything, and then we'll go from there. So right now she's at work. So let me get these things done. Gotta clean out the trunk and stuff. So I'll meet y'all back after I clean it up. Peace. Alright, YouTube, so that Maxima is gone. So part 2 is gonna be us picking up that we're gonna pick up that my mom's car. My surprise to her, my gift to her. So I'm not gonna say what kind of car is it yet, but just know I'll be driving it too. You feel me? So I meet y'all back. Alright, so what it do, YouTube? So that Maxima is gone now, so now I'm about to go pick up my mom's surprise, a new car. She right here. So what's up, Mom? She just came from work, buying it all cash. You feel me? No financing. You feel me? No payments. No none of that. You feel me? For me, this is my gift to you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
That's in like 6 months.
Merry Christmas. You feel me? Merry Christmas 2 years. You feel me? And happy birthday 2 years. You feel me? This gift gonna last. You feel me? Cause I ain't gonna take her out to eat for Mother's Day. You feel me? But this how we eating. You feel me? I'm on the. Hello? Yeah, I'm on my way. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna show you how to surprise when you get there. You feel me? Later. Alright, guys, so we're here. Finally here to get the car. Sign over the title and everything like that. Car will be registered tomorrow morning. That's another part. I'm gonna do that too. So I now put that poll up of if she should got a Q50 or a Lexus GS350. You know, GS350 is more space. You know, my mom about to have my little brother. So he's like, okay, that's more spacious, but you know, as a female, she's like, she could deal with the space or whatnot. So you guys know what she went for. Q50 Infiniti.
You know how much people call me today?
A lot. That's the owner right there taking off his plates. OvO drive.
Alright, now, sorry, I can't do it. I gave up my word.
Yeah.
They wanted that bad, it must be good. I'm like, yeah.
Sure, we wasn't playing. I had the money already. I was like, yo, that's it. Yeah, thanks a lot. You can put it right.
You want the front?
I take
You want the front
10s?
Plate holder?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, let's change it.
Let's look at that. I'm gonna put the plates down real quick. Show you a little bit of interior and yo. Oh, the door's not open. Yeah, 1 key or 2 key for the car? Oh, 1? Okay.
Usually when you buy them from the auction.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the dealer and get another extra copy. That's very important, especially with these keys.
I used to know a Nissan guy, but he moved. I could have got you a discount programming it.
Yeah, but the color not gonna stay. We're gonna wrap it red.
Really?
Like a red chrome, like a matte finish red. Cause she always wanted a red car. We were looking for red Q50s. It was like, I was like, you know what, Mom, we're gonna find whatever's the best deal, and then we can just spend the money and wrap it. Cause wrapping it is even better because, you know, if anybody scratch it up or whatever, you know what I mean, just peel over, wrap it back. I mean, guys, in here. And guess what? Hold on, y'all see the mileage? Hold on. Let me get in there. This car only got 24,000 miles on it. 24,000. So I'm gonna hit y'all back. She's gonna actually drive the car back, so peace. What's up, Cam? You there? Oh, me there. For me, buffet. Forehead. She got Weight Watchers food. Alright, what's up? After we picked up the car, we came in, got some food at the buffet. K1, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, belly full. You can't tell the difference of her belly full. You don't know if she's full or hungry. You don't know. But yeah, so right here. You excited?
Yep.
You excited? She deserves it. But I'm gonna give you guys a better view tomorrow when the sun is out. Because right now it's getting dark.
Just
So,
take that off the
know,
window.
I know. So I'm gonna clean up tomorrow and everything like that. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Take it for a drive. Alright. Alright, so it's a better day, so now I'm gonna show you the car right now. Alright. Yeah, man, this car is, I'm feeling it. It's nice. It's nice. Look at the miles. Look at that. Been clean, got Navi, everything. I can see why she liked it. This car fit like a glove, yo. I mean, got that sport mode too. But I'm not gonna do that, you feel me? Yeah, so everything is nice. I just took off all the tints that's around. This is the old tint that the guy had. So I'm like, I'm about to go tint the car in a few. So yeah, so that's it. She got a Q50. Alright. This car drives good though. Loving that handling.